Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Gubeter USB-C car charger with up to 50 watts. This is absolutely crazy. I'm not talking about 15 watts, this is 50 watts. This is the most powerful car charger which I have ever seen so far. It's not even expensive, so this could be a really awesome thing, and it's supporting also quick charge like PD 3.0. So this could be absolutely amazing. And yeah, I've seen similar things and they have been really working, and I've been testing them for quite a while now in my car. And even my wife noticed that her phone is now charging much faster than with the old car charger. So it can be definitely very well worth to invest a couple of dollars into something which is really powerful, instead of just buying the cheapest one and then have to wait for hours till your phone is charging. So that's the thing here. That's the packaging. Maybe we can see the model type here, if it's focusing. Yeah, here we see the model and the input and output, different output up to 3 amps. Yeah, go a little bit closer here so you can see everything. It has 2 different outputs, and it can also charge with higher voltage. That's really helpful for quick charge. We have 2 USB outputs. The first one is charging with up to 20 watts, and we have the second one which is charging with up to 20 volts and 1.5 amps, which makes it 30 watts. So in total then 50 watts. I mean, of course it's not 50 watts on one output. So here's the thing what we get from the packaging. Again, the model and some description. I hope you can see that. Yeah, I think it's focusing now, and if you go to the highest resolution, usually 1080p put in post, then you have enough time to read everything. There's nothing in the back. So here's the device itself. Looks really nice and solid. It's hard to say if this is plastic or metal, but it feels definitely solid. It's not too heavy, not too lightweight. I think this is absolutely perfect. So I'm testing this now. Also how easy it is to insert and remove, and you can see it's very easy, even though it's pretty small. So from the shape already, this is something I really like. It's not too large, not too small. We can still grab it without any tool. This is pretty good, and there is no resistance. I mean, there is some resistance, but not too much, not too few, not too much. So let's do the testing here. By the way, I have a USB-C to USB-C. The maximum power is 120 watts here from this battery, so it should be more than enough. I'm here on the 20 watts output. So let's do a first test. Yeah, of course I have to release from previous test, and I go to fast charge auto enumeration. Let's see what kind of compatibilities we get. So this is what we got from the first automatic compatibility check, and you can see it shows a lot of compatibility with Huawei, Samsung and Apple up to 24 watts, but this is just the compatibility. I mean, this is actually higher than what they describe, but we are going to check it in real. That's the fast charge trigger. We're going to the power delivery. Let's see what it finds. And we can see up to 12 volts, 1.67 amps, and this is then the exactly 20 watts which they have been describing in the listing. And what I see now, I think they are wrong in the packaging, and also I didn't realize that, of course, for the USB-C it's 12 volt, maximum 12 volts. Not 2.67 amps, but it's 1.67 amps. You can see that here. I think that's just a typo on the packaging, because it makes absolutely sense. This would be way too much, because the first output is only 20 watts. So in total everything is good, just the writing on the packaging is wrong. So let's test the second output. So let's do the auto numeration on the second output to see what we get regarding compatibility. So it's a little bit less compatibility. Let's do it again. Yeah, I think we can now confirm that it has a little bit less compatibility, but higher power. You can see it has compatibility is up to 33 watts, but doesn't mean it can deliver so much, but still some compatibility with UI, Samsung and Apple. Let's do now the check for the real power. So we go to the power delivery and see what we get. And the highest which it's showing here is 12 volts with 2.5 amps, which is definitely the 30 watts, which is confirmed here. But I can't find the 15 volts and the 20 volts. I don't know if there's a problem with this device here. I don't really know what the limits are. But we can definitely see the 30 watts confirmed, and this means in total 50 watts. I also wanted to show you the test side by side. Unfortunately, I cannot test this thing with maximum power because of the limitations of my USB testers, but at least you can see them side by side with 15 watts or even more than 15 watts. Here we have 15 watts, here we have 15.7 watts, so totally already at 30 watts, and there's absolutely no problem. You can see still a very solid voltage of 5.2 volts even at this high power. And a similar thing here, it only goes down because of the bad cable. Here I'm using a very long cable, so you can see that this is very powerful, and I can definitely confirm that this is the most powerful car charger which I've ever seen. I've never seen something like that before. So absolutely amazing value for the price. Definitely I can give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.